Today, we're reviewing the DJI Neo, a new entrant in the drone market. This compact, palm-sized drone is designed for those seeking a balance of quality and affordability, priced at just $300. It's particularly appealing to beginners or casual drone enthusiasts. Despite its small size, the DJI Neo doesn't skimp on performance, making it a great choice for capturing high-quality videos and photos without a hefty price tag. Design and portability. One of the DJI Neo's standout features is its compact design. Small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, it's incredibly portable and easy to take anywhere, whether you're hiking, traveling, or heading out for a quick shoot. Its lightweight build ensures it won't weigh you down, making it perfect for those always on the go who need a convenient drone without sacrificing functionality. Camera capabilities. Despite its size, the DJI Neo packs impressive camera technology. It can shoot stunning 4K videos, capturing high-resolution footage with sharp detail. Whether you're recording landscapes, action shots, or memorable moments, the 4K quality delivers professional-grade videos. Additionally, the drone takes 12MP photos, making it a versatile tool for both videographers and photographers, producing clear and vibrant images from unique perspectives. Control options. The DJI Neo offers two main methods for control to suit different user preferences and skill levels. The first is through your mobile phone, which is both convenient and intuitive. By downloading the dedicated DJI app, you can connect your phone to the drone and access various controls and features directly from your screen. The app's user-friendly interface simplifies operation for beginners, allowing easy adjustments for altitude, direction, and camera settings. For those who prefer a more traditional flying experience, an optional remote control is available. This remote features physical buttons and joysticks, providing more precise control over the drone's movements. The tactile feedback enhances the flying experience, making it easier to capture smooth and stable footage. Both control methods ensure a seamless and enjoyable flying experience, whether using the mobile app for ease of access or the remote control for precise handling. Price and value. At $300, the DJI Neo is an affordable choice, especially considering its features. The 4K video capability and 12MP photo resolution are typically found in more expensive drones, making the Neo a great value for the price. Compared to other drones in this price range, the Neo stands out for its portability, ease of use, and performance. For beginners, hobbyists, or anyone exploring drone photography without a large investment, the DJI Neo offers solid value and quality at an accessible price point. Summary. In summary, the DJI Neo is an impressive drone that offers a lot for its size and price. Its compact design, powerful camera, and flexible control options make it ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage with minimal hassle. Whether you're a beginner or looking for an affordable drone that doesn't compromise on quality, the DJI Neo is a strong contender in the market. At $300, it's a smart choice for anyone who values portability, performance, and value in one neat package.